Hey everybody, here we are back in SketchUp-Free. I'm going to go ahead and make a new project, create new, simple template, feet and inches. This is going to be just a quick reminder tutorial on how to make a room. Your assignment is to make your own bedroom. For the reason that it's a room that you're in frequently, you should know the layout pretty well, size of furniture, where things go. You spent the last 2 days creating that floor plan, I hope, on graph paper, and hopefully it's even nicer than your first floor plan you drew. All right, so here we are in SketchUp. I'm going to go again to Views, up here to Parallel Projection, to the middle here, Top View. I'm going to close the views. This little line here is actually that woman holding her cell phone. Highlighted blue, press delete, and we have a clean working space. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of reteach how to create a room. I'll do the outline, then we will do wall thickness, then I'll do doors and a window, and I'll add a new twist today by adding a different floor material for you guys to see, and then we'll stop for the day, and that should be a quick review for you guys to start your first project, which is creating or recreating a 3D model of your bedroom. But we're going to start in 2D, okay, for the floor plan. So I'm going to go to Pen Tool right away, okay, and I'm going to start to draw. I'll type in 20.5 feet, so you guys can see you can do feet in the bottom left there where it says, or bottom right where it says length, 20.5 feet, hit enter. Now it goes off the screen, so I'm going to click select. Now I'm going to go here, I'm going to go zoom extents, and that'll show you the whole line, okay. Go back to the line tool. Let's draw this length going up. And this time I'm going to go in inches, 147 inches. So you can see in the bottom right, 147 inches. Hit enter. So you can do both. All right, and I'm going to go back to select to get off the pen tool. I'm going to go to this hand, which is the pan tool. Let's me grab the whole page. There we go. I'm trying to center that. All right, so we have two walls. We have this long one at the bottom and this one here. I'm going to go ahead and grab the pen tool. I'm going to draw a wall from this corner going up. And I'm going to go 31 inches. And I'm going to go right into a doorway here. So I'm going to go this way. And I'm going to say my door is 30 inches long. And come out, roll and do 2 inches for the width. Come back down, it should line up, which it does. I'm going to go ahead and close that door. Okay. And I will go across. And we're going to say, let's go 73.5 inches to there. Okay. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to type 42 inches. Enter. And then I'm going to attempt to go across all the way to here. All right, there's the room. I'm going to delete this little extra line right here. There we go. I have a little door sticking out that way. All right, I'm going to go ahead and go down to, push pull. Last option again is offset. When you go over your shape of your room, you should get these blue dots. Just click anywhere on the surface and you get a kind of mirror image. Extend past your walls for wall thickness. I'm going to make my walls 4 inches thick. Okay, there is a room with wall thickness. All right, we already started one door here, and I'm going to show you guys this. I'll go to tape measure, like so. I'll see if it lets me go from this corner, this endpoint, and we said that that door was 30 inches, so I'm going to type 30 inches and see if it'll give me a mark. It does, I can see it. Pen tool. And it should go right to that mark. I can zoom in so you guys can see it. See the little guide? And guide point. Go across. There it is. Okay, So I'm going to go ahead and delete this line because there actually is no wall there. Delete that guide point. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete this line in the middle here. So it looks more like a door. I'm going to go back to the 2-point arc. I'm going to go from this bottom of the opening to the top edge of the door. Find a midpoint right about there. And there is my door swing. All right. So let's add a couple more doors. I'm going to go back to measuring tape. There it is. I'm going to go from the corner here, this endpoint. And I'm going to say, we'll just say 1 foot from the corner is that does not. So I do 1 inch. Let's try it again. 1 foot. There it is. Okay, that looks like a foot. Go to pen tool, draw my line, zoom in so you guys can see the endpoint. There's the guide. There it is. And go down. Okay. And then I'm just actually going to draw from here, endpoint, using the same thing, using the pen tool. I'm going to go with 32 inches. Enter. Try and locate that endpoint. It should jump green. There it is. Come down. There's my doorway. Okay. I want to draw the door itself. Again, I said 32 inches for the opening, so make your door the same. Here, go to the side, 2 inches, go back down, all the way to the outer edge. Okay. Erase tool. Let's get rid of that middle line. And we'll get rid of this outer line. Like so. And we will make 2-point arc here to here. Little bit big. That's better. Okay. So second door. Now we're going to make the third door. We'll make this one a door, let's say for a master bath. This is a closet door here, and I can always add the closet later. Okay, so I'm going to go back to measuring tool. I'm going to go from here. Again, we'll measure, let's say, just 1 foot. There it is. Line tool. Find this. Someone's got to zoom in to get to it. There it is. On edge. Now I'm going to go from here, go in this direction, and I'm going to say 32 inches. I went all the way off, so it's a little long. So we're just going to go here. So select. I'm going to fix that because I went off the edge of the wall, so I'm going to delete that. We'll make a new guide point. So if it was a little long, let's just go half of that. Let's say 6 inches. So I want to go off the wall. All right, go back to pen tool, find the guide. Should, it's like just barely touches it, right? Zoom a little more. There it is. It's a little finicky. Okay. Now we go from here. We'll go around. We'll say 32 inches again. That won't go off the wall. There it is. Come back over. On edge. We'll add the door from this point. 32 inches. And perpendicular to edge, 2 inches. All the way down. on edge. Okay. Back to erase tool. Zoom in. Erase that. Erase this edge here, because we don't need it. Erase the guide point. The guide. Okay. Go back to arc tool, 2-point arc. End point. End of the door. Try to find a reasonable arc, or like so. And there is another doorway. Okay. I'm going to go back to pan, bring this guy over. So we have the shape of the room, we have wall thickness, we have 3 doors. I'm going to go ahead and add a window. I'm going to try to use the measuring tool one more time, which sometimes is a little temperamental. All right. I am going to start at this endpoint, come down. I'm going to measure, let's say, 70 inches. You can see it popped up, so it actually works. I do want to say, when you use the measuring tool, it only works making these guide points if you start at a corner. You can't start in the middle of a wall with the measuring tool. All right, so I'm going to zoom in here. Guide point, come up. Okay. We go back to the pen tool. I'm going to go down this line, and I'm going to say 86 inches. Now we have to find it. It'll be a green endpoint when we do locate it. There it is. Endpoint. Found it. And down. Now we'll do the midpoint. We'll show this as a window. And we'll even go across to show it's split down the middle. Okay. So here we are, very quickly. Okay, you have, again, shape of the room, wall thickness, 3 doors, and a window in a bedroom. Last step I'm going to show you is how to change the floor. This is a new thing we'll show. I'll be demonstrating how to find materials. So I'm going to go back to select. On the right side here, we've used this one before, which was components, how we found furniture. Do not do furniture today. We'll do that tomorrow. Go underneath there, there's something that says materials. Click materials. You get these kind of like blank options here, kind of boring. But this little magnifying glass is browse. So click browse. And you get all of these options here. So there's brick, carpet, colors, glass, metal, roof, stone, water, tile, wood. Okay, this is a bedroom, so I'm going to go with carpeting. So I'm going to click this one. And I'm going to choose, this is kind of cool. So we'll go with this gray carpeting. Automatically gives me the paint tool. Just click on the floor surface, and you will now have carpeting in a bedroom. Okay, I'm going to click select to get off of that. I'm going to change the name where it says untitled. And since this was just an example, all right, SketchUp Project, I'm going to call this bedroom example. Go ahead and click save here. Saving. When it's done, it'll go black. There it is. And we are done for the day, guys. Remember, today I just want you to use your graph paper sketch of your bedroom to create the room shape to an accurate size, doors to accurate size, windows to accurate size, and then, of course, have some fun with the materials option and change your floor to be as close to the floor that you have at your house. Okay? So that is it for today. I want you guys to stop here, make sure it's saved, and tomorrow we will add furniture, and I'll teach you something new with furniture you can try tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. Hope you're doing well, and we'll talk later.